test boot of base OS all-in-one version. So technically we should be able to boot up into tablet UI mode and select the configuration. Since we have multi-display, we want navigation and input method over there too. So we're going to select that one. Give it a minute to boot. A long minute to boot. Any moment now. Should just show a boot animation. There we go. I didn't break it. Woohoo! Once it boots, we should get lock screen. Pressing spacebar will unlock the screen, and then we can use it in tablet mode. We will select that to make sure desktop mode shows over here and tablet mode over here. Now these builds do come with our banner across the top. So if you are connected, the banner will go away as soon as you're licensed. See, no banner. To check your license status, you can come down here, go to device status, and you can see your license status.